Today we're going to be doing 1.5E3. We're going to be writing addends in the blanks to compose a sum of 10. So here's, you have an option with 2 addends, and this one here has 3 addends. There are multiple answers to this. You can do 5 and 5, and then 3, 2, 5. You can do 7, 3, and then 7 plus 2 plus 3. You can do 6 and 4, and you can do 4, 2, and 6. So there's multiple answers for this, so I'm not going to actually fill this one out because you can have more than one answer, and I don't want anyone to feel limited. Write the numbers below on the write the numbers below on the place value chart. I have the number 100, I have the number 74, and I have the number 89. So I'm going to write them on the place value chart. So I'm going to start with my first number, 100. 100 has 100, 0 tens, and 0 leftover ones. 74 has 0 hundreds, but it has 7 groups of 10 and 4 leftover ones. 89 has 8 groups of 10 and 9 leftover ones and 0 hundreds. Compare 2 of the numbers using the symbols greater than or less than. So I could do 100 is greater than 74. I could do 100 is greater than 89. I could do 74 is less than 89. I could do 74 is less than 100. I could do 89 is less than 100. So there are multiple opportunities to answer this in different ways. You do not have to be limited to one. Claire goes to swim practice at 5 o'clock. She practices until 6:30. On the first clock, show the time Claire goes to swim practice. On the second clock, show the time practice is over. So at first I see she's going to swim practice at 5 o'clock. Well, I know that my hour hand is going to be on the 5, and that's my shorter hand. And my minute hand is going to be on the 12, and that's my longer hand. For the next one, she's going to practice till 6:30. So for 6:30, I know my minute hand is going to be on the 6. Now this is the tricky part. I'm halfway around the clock, so I know my hour hand is going to be halfway between the 6 and the 7. Lincoln asked 12 friends how they get to the park. He is making a bar-type graph to show the data. Lincoln needs to draw one more bar. To what number will he draw the bar for bike? Okay, so we're looking at this, and we're trying to figure out how many friends were bike riders. So we know we had 1, 2, 3, 4 friends walked, plus something, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 friends who rode the car. It has to equal 12. That's what we know. So I know 5 and 4 is 9 plus something equals 12. So I'm going to count on. I'm going to go 9, 10, 11, 12. So I know my something is 3. You may even want to color that in. Circle the correct answer. 15 minus 7 is equal to or is not equal to 6 plus 8. So I'm going to start with 15 minus 7. I know 15, take away 7, so I could do 15 dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Take away 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And I'm left with 6 and 2 more, which is 8. And here I have 8 plus 6. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'm going to add 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, I see this is a 10 and 4 more. Are these equal or not equal? I know they are not equal. They are not the same. How about this one right here? 14 minus 8 and 3 and 4. Well, I'm going to start with the addition over here. So I know 3 and 4 is 7 because I know 4 and 4 is 8, take away 1. Now here I have 14 minus 8. So I'm going to draw my picture again because I like to draw a picture with subtraction because I get tripped easily on subtraction. So I don't want to make an oops. So I drew my 14 and I'm going to get rid of 8 dots. So I'm going to get rid of 4 and 4 more. And I see a group of 6. So I know 6 and 7 are not equal. Look at the number sentence. Is this number sentence correct? Explain why. Okay, well, I know 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. I know 8 is not equal to 9. So I could say they are not, because 8 is 1 less than 9. Or however you want to say it. You do not have to say it like me. Jordan puts blocks on a balance. Which of the following is true about Jordan's balance? Mark your answers. Well, I know he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see 5 blocks here, and I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see 5 blocks here. I know the balance scale is straight, so I know it's equal. So I know 5 plus 5 equals 10 blocks. But let's see. He has 5 equals 5 plus 5. No. He has 10 blocks total. 5 plus 5 equals 0. No, he still has 10 blocks. 5 equals 5. That is true. 5 is the same as 5. And not here. You could, if you were looking for 5 plus 5 equals 10. But we're looking for these blocks. So I know 5 is the same as 5 blocks. Page says only one number sentence below is true. Which one is it? Mark your answer. Okay, well, I know 6 and 6 is 12 plus 1 more is 13. I know 9 plus 4. Well, I'm going to take 1 from the 4 and make 9 a 10, and that's with 3 more, which is 13. Is this number sentence true? 13 equals 13. Yes. Am I done? No. I have to go check the rest. 12 and 12 is a double. I know that's 12. So 6 plus 7, that's 12 and 1 more is 13. 10 plus 5 I know is 15 because I'm adding to 10. 7 plus 7 is a double. That's 14. 10 plus 2 I'm adding to 10. That's 12. 10 plus 3 is 13. The only one where the numbers are the same or equal is this top one.